The length of the ligaments and tendons that surround your joints as well as the range of motion in your joints are all included in what most people refer to as flexibility. 1. Make a butterfly motion. Your glutes and thighs will benefit from the butterfly stretch, which will also assist to relax your neck and back. Sit down on the floor and extend your legs to start. 2. Extend your shoulders and arms. Starting your stretching routine while standing or perched on the edge of a sturdy chair is both acceptable. Make sure you're sitting upright if you plan to extend your arms and shoulders while you're there. Maintain a neutral, straight back with your shoulder blades tucked in against your spine. 3. Add twists to the seated trunk. Return to a seated position with your feet together and your legs straight out in front of you. So that your shoulder blades come in line with your spine, sit up straight, engage your core, and roll back your shoulders. 4. Lift your body to a swan stretch. A yoga and Pilates technique that really opens up your chest while also stretching your back and core is the swan stretch. Laying on your stomach with your legs out in front of you, begin this stretch. 5. Kneel to stretch your quads and hip flexors. This kneeling exercise resembles lunges, but extending your rear leg stretches your hamstrings, quads, and hip flexors. Kneel on the ground to begin. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.